This one is almost ready.
Yes,
Give
there
it
were
2
two
more
more
days.
days. Check the ones up there.
Ready? Lift on 3.
All right, got it.
Clear on the right.
Bring the next one up.
I see some bruising here.
Agreed. Pull that one aside.
Check the water temperature on line 3. It seems high.
I just adjusted the steam input. It should stabilize now.
This one is slightly bruised. Set it aside.
Okay, I'll take this crate.
mira, qué rico se ven.
Sí, vamos a llevarle estos a Mateo.
Están muy dulces.
Here you go, sweetie. Isn't that good? look at your brother's face.
I have a mango mustache.
Wow, that burst of flavor.
It's exceptionally ripe.
Agreed. Very juicy and consistent.
Look at the glaze on these. Absolutely perfect. Best batch yet.
This spike indicates a critical failure rate in the latest batch.
If we look at the supplier data here, it seems localized to the memory module.
Is this the component causing the issue?
As you can see, the untreated mango quickly oxidizes, but the citric acid treatment preserves the vibrant color.
We have a critical failure in Sector Gamma. Reroute auxiliary power now. The containment field is dropping rapidly.
go, sweetie.
This is so good.
It's very sweet.
As you can see, the real-time data integration is seamless.
And this visualization updates automatically with the input.
Exactly. It drastically improves forecasting accuracy.
The Alfonso, like this one, has an incredibly rich, creamy texture. You can test the ripes by gently tapping the skin.
And how
All right, listen up. The alarm has stopped. I'm taking head count now. Rodriguez?
Here, ma'am.
As you can see on the graph, this indicates a significant uptrend.
Is that adjusted for the Q3 projections?
Yes, absolutely. It includes the latest data.
All right, everyone, look right here and smile big.
Got it.
Looking good, team.
Congratulations on being named Employee of the Year.
Thank you. I am deeply honored to receive this award.
Congratulations on your outstanding performance this quarter.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate this.
Thanks to your hard work, we've exceeded Q3 production targets by 15%.
Thank you from the East Asian plant team.
From the tropical orchard to your table, we ensure every mango is perfectly ripened, carefully packed, and delivered fresh around the world.
I'm so glad we could make this work.
Me too. These are the healthiest plants I've seen all season.
It is a pleasure doing business with you.
And with you, Mr. Prajak. We are very excited about the mango supply this season.
The yield projections are very promising, showing a 20% increase.
That works with our schedule, but what about the transportation?
We can review the routing options right now.
Would you like some mangoes?
Yes, please. Yes, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy the event.
This red one is a Tommy. See the color? You can touch it gently.
It's huge.
And this smooth yellow one is the Ataulfo variety.
Yeah.
As you can see, these robotic arms move with incredible precision, ensuring every product meets our high standards.
I almost got it that time.
Keep trying, you'll get the ring toss.
These noodles are really good.